Hello, so our emulator is now open. What I should have done was I should have added another result here just to show the result when it's added to the database, because at the moment we wouldn't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a txt. I'm just going to stop my emulator, and then I'm going to add txt display result dot text. We're going to say successfully inserted or done. Let's just do done, for example. Just do done. And then I'm just going to run my my emulator. Now, in case you're ever having issues with your emulator, I know that Google by default makes you choose the Pixel 2 or any other new one. If your laptop is not as good, I would advise you to pick a very I wouldn't say a bad phone, but I would say maybe a not so good phone, so that it will be able to help you with what you're doing. So in this example here, we have our name. I'm just gonna enter my name, or I'm gonna enter Kofi. I'm gonna enter EJ, or I'm gonna enter, this is Kofi, right? So when I enter Kofi, I'm gonna click on add, right? I'm gonna click on add, and then we'll see if it's working. Okay, so I clicked on add and it says done, which means it's added. But see, how do I know it's added? Well, in your emulator, if you want to check if your database has actually been created in the first place, down here you see Device Explorer. When you click on Device Explorer, you will see data here. Click on data. Then you scroll through and then look for data again. I can see data here. Then you have to find the package that belongs to this project that you're working from. So this project I know is .com.example, .com.example.SQLite Kotlin. So .com SQLite Kotlin here. And now when I click on there, I see databases. When I click on database, I see everyday DB, which means that our database has been created. But I also would like to know if it's actually inserted into my database. Well, that's also another built-in tool that Android has. It has something called App Inspection. So when you click on App Inspection and you're connected to your database, you just select it, and you will see that, you see that it will open up a database for you. So in my case, because we use the database, let's try again. Let me try and add Kofi again, but less time. Let me add Kofi, and let me click on add. I haven't even added it yet, but it's loaded up my database. And if I click on here, if I double click on here, you see it's added Kofi here. I'm going to select live updates and I'm going to click on add, and you see that it's added Kofi. So that is how we create a simple SQLite application, which allows you to enter a user's name inside. So I hope this tutorial was a good tutorial for you, and I will see you in the next video.